government, the electoral system. We're going to look at the following outline: definition of the electoral system, characteristics of the system, electoral constituency, and finally, factors affecting the delimitation of constituency. Definition: an electoral system may be defined as a process through which the people of a country elect their representatives into different political offices or positions in government. The system also includes the conditions and processes for the nomination of candidate for the election. All right. This process is organized and conducted by an electoral commissioner. Okay. All right. For example, in Nigeria, this process is conducted by a body called INEC, which is being headed by the electoral commissioner. And INEC simply means Independent National Electoral Commission. Now we look at the characteristics of an electoral system. Number one, it must be an independent process. All right. It must be organized by a body that is independent, an independent body. All right. Number two, periodic elections. The elections should be held periodically. For example, in Nigeria, every 4 years, there is election. Presidential and governorship election is conducted. Number three, the country should be divided into constituencies, smaller areas and districts for better administration of the process. Number four, universal adult suffrage. Adults should only be allowed to vote. In Nigeria, from 18 and above is allowed to vote. And then finally, voting should be conducted without molestation and imitation. Next, number six, counting of votes should be done publicly so that it will be seen by everyone that the process is transparent. Right? Number seven, we must use a secret ballot system. When during the election, anybody that is voting should be secret. As in, somebody should not know who you are voting for. It should be done secretly. That's what I mean by the secret ballot system. And number eight, there should be enough political education on the electoral process. The people should be well educated to know what to do. The materials for the election should be provided before time, the ballot boxes, the ballot papers, and so on and so forth. All right, let's look at electoral constituency. An electoral constituency is an electoral district or an area from which one or more members or representatives are elected into political offices. All right. We have what we call delimitation. Delimitation is the division of a country into constituency. The division of a country into constituency. All right. This makes it easy and equitable in the allocation of parliamentary seat representatives. Factors affecting the delimitation of constituency. Number one, we have administrative convenience. As in, it is broken down into smaller districts so that it can be managed by the officers. All right. Population size. The population is too much. They have to break it down to smaller numbers that can be managed also. And then minority interest. The minorities, because they are minor, they are given, for them to have a voice, they are given the constituency. Geographical factor, the area should be easily accessible, right, by everyone. Number five, number of seats available will also determine how the constituency should be shared. Then finally, number 6, historical and cultural background. People with the same background should be grouped together. Right? For more videos, ensure to subscribe our channel. Thanks very much for being a part of the class.